Welcome students, welcome to another session of your computer science class. We are in the fifth day of your chapter number 2, you have gotten me. Student, if you remember, on 2nd of May, I showed you how to create an email using Gmail account. So those who have not seen that video properly or didn't understand, please go through my previous video to get a better idea about Gmail. So today we will deal with two upcoming topics, which is on sending an email and attaching a file to an email account. So before sending a mail, you have to compose a mail or write a mail. So today I am going to show you how to do that. So I have already opened few Gmail accounts that I am already operating, and as you know, in last video I created a demo account through which I am going to send a mail to other email accounts. Alright, so let's start. So this was my demo account that I created in my last video. If you check the interface of Gmail, you will find left pane where you have different type of box or section like inbox where you receive all the mails. Apart from that, I told you about sent where you can see the mail that you have sent. Draft is the area where you save a mail, and bin is the area to check the mails you have deleted. Apart from that, in Gmail account you find one button. It says compose. Compose is the area through which you can create a new email. New email message. So before we proceed, let me discuss this section also. In inbox, you will find these three default tabs: primary, social, and promotion. Now, primary tab is the section where you will receive a mail whom you are known, like your friend, relatives, and the person who are in your contact list. Now, social tab is a section where you receive anything related to social networking site, like if you have a Facebook account, if you have a Twitter account, or anything social networking related mails are coming in this social tab. Now what is promotion? Promotion tab is the area where you receive mails related to advertisement or any scheme or offer that is offering by a company. Like if you order something from Amazon shopping portal, then you will receive such mails in promotion section. Okay, so let's start composing a mail. Apart from that, as I said, I have other email accounts. I have two more email accounts which I am operating right now. This email is for creating videos. This is my personal email account from Gmail, and this is also my personal email account from Hotmail or Microsoft, which I was using long time back. So I'm going to show you demonstration how to send an email. So please click on compose. Now when you click on compose, one pop-up window will appear which will show you to send a new message. So expand it to make it bigger. Now if you click on this area, you will find two. Two is the email ID of the sender whom you are going to send a mail. So let me write these email IDs. You can see at the top, these are the email IDs I have. So in two section, I am writing my first email ID. When you click here, see, it will show the email ID is correct, or it won't show in this particular box. Now on right hand side you'll notice CC and BCC field. Now when you click on or hover your mouse, it says add CC recipient. Recipient is the person who receives a mail. There is a shortcut button also, Control Shift and C. When you press these three buttons together, in compose section you will allow to write the email ID of that particular recipient. So click over here. Let me write our email ID. And BCC. BCC is the field which says blind carbon copy. CC stands for carbon copy, BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Let me write that email ID also, then I am going to explain the difference between the three fields. Okay, it's done now. Now let me explain. Two is the person to whom you are going to send a email message. CC is the section which shows you the mail that you send to the person who is in to field. The same mail will receive by the person who is in CC field. And BCC is a section of blind carbon copy which will also receive the same mail which is sent to these two recipient or sender. Now the difference between BCC and CC is when you send a mail, this particular person would be able to see email ID of these two persons, but the person who receives the mail from you can't see the email ID of this particular person. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. Now please type the topic. Let's say I enter the subject name as PA Maths. It means I'm trying to send something which is related to PA Maths. So this is the section or the body where you are going to write the message. So you first greet that person to whom you are going to send a message. So it is a very short message where in the body, after you greet that person, you write the message which shows you what you are trying to say in that particular email message. Now once you are done, you should greet that person and then write your name. This is general logic of writing a standard email. Now as I said, I'm going to attach a mail. So in the bottom section you will find one pin which shows like a gem clip. When you hover your mouse, it will show you attach files. So click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to navigate the location from where you are going to attach that file. So you have to remember the location. So I know where it is. I scroll down and I found maths record, which is written in Excel sheet. Double click on it. Once you double click on it, it will show you the progress bar that it is going to send you attachment on that particular mail. Once that file is attached, it will looks like this. Now if somehow you notice that you accidentally attach a wrong attachment, you click on this section to remove attachment and try to reattach that file. Once you are done, click on send. It shows message sent. To view a message, either you click on view message or else go to sent option to check whether the mail is sent or not. So click over here, it shows sent, and you can find that the mail is being sent to these particular IDs. So that is it for today. In tomorrow's section, I am trying to show you these senders whether they received a mail or not, and I am going to demonstrate you also that the person who is in BCC can see these two persons email ID, but these two email IDs can't see the email ID of the person who is sitting in BCC area. Okay, see you tomorrow then. Goodbye, students.